Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Today, we'll discover how to send emails in Java using Jakarta Mail and Gmail SMTP. In one of our other videos, we covered in detail how to send emails in Java using Jakarta Mail and Mailtrap SMTP service. That tutorial is suitable for apps that are to be run on Jakarta EE9 or above. This time, we decided to provide an option for apps that may be maintaining an older code base that still relies on javax.mail packages. We also wanted to show you what the setup would look like with Gmail SMTP. Let's begin. We've already prepared a new Java project. Now, we need to integrate Jakarta Mail or Java Mail into our project. For that, we can use the Maven repository. Simply copy the dependency and add it to the pom.xml file of your project. We've already prepared a code snippet that sends an HTML email, but we'll need to add Gmail SMTP credentials later. The first section consists of import statements that are necessary to create and send emails, authenticate the SMTP server, and handle any potential errors. The second section should include the sender's and recipient's email addresses. Then comes the SMTP server configuration, which includes username, password, and SMTP host. The properties object holds configuration properties. It sets authentication and TLS to true and the port to 587. The next section creates the authenticator, which returns a new password authentication object with the username and password for the SMTP server. We also need a session instance that includes the properties object and authenticator, and a try-catch block in which we create MIME message using the session, setFrom, and setRecipient methods set the from and to email fields. SetSubject method sets the email subject line, while setContent sets the email content and indicates the content type as text or HTML. Finally, we send the email using the transport.sendMessage method. If the message is sent successfully, a success message will be printed to the console. If message exception is caught, it will get wrapped in a runtime exception and thrown. Now we can configure the script with the Gmail SMTP credentials. Start by entering the recipient's email address in the to variable. Declare your own Gmail email address as the from variable. In the username field, enter your Gmail email address again. We need to generate an app password to authenticate to the Gmail SMTP server. Open your Google account and navigate to security. Under the How You Sign Into Google heading, click Two-Step Verification. Scroll down to App Passwords. In the app name, enter the desired name for the app password. Click Create. The app password will pop up on the screen. Simply copy and paste it into the password variable. Finally, enter smtp.gmail.com as the SMTP host address. Run the code. Let's check the inbox. Great, the email is right there. Let's see how you can send an email with attachments. The code snippet we'll use is similar to the previous one, but it requires a couple of tweaks. First, we need to add additional import statements to be able to attach a file and send a multi-part message. Then, we need to create the message body part object of MIME body part to hold the text part of the message. The setText method will be used to set the text version of the email. Next, create a multi-part object of MIME multi-part to combine multiple body parts into a single email message. Add message body part to multi-part using the addBodyPart method. Now create message body part for the attachment. And define the file name string with the actual path to the file. Create a source object using file data source with the file name to represent the file as a data source for the attachment. Call setDataHandler on message body part to associate the file data with the body part. Finally, call setFileName on message body part to set the file name that will appear in the email. The code snippet is now ready. Let's run it. The success message appeared and the email is right there in the inbox. All done. You now know how to send emails with Jakarta Mail and Gmail SMTP. Check out our other videos on sending emails in Java with SMTP and API. The links will be in the description below. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to see more tutorials like this one. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more useful content on email deliverability. See you in the next one.